Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to earn income online in 2018. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. A little bit about myself is my background is I've been a physical therapist for 28 years, and I'm going to be building an affiliate marketing business from scratch, giving you tips and tricks along the way. I'm going to leave a link below this video in the description about my story and my background, so you can know a little bit about what I have done in the past and why this time is going to be different for me. So if it's your first time here and you want to follow along and learn with me along the way, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into the content. So today, again, we're going to talk about how to earn income online in 2018, secrets to making lots of money. All right, the first thing is you want to market daily by providing value. And I think this is often, the second part of that, providing value, is often misunderstood because it's sometimes conveyed to people that they just need to get enough eyeballs on their content or on their lead capture page and build an email list and send out emails, and then they'll make lots of money. I love this quote by Jim Rohn. It says, "The amount of money you make will be in direct proportion to the value you create." And most people think it's about building an email list so that you can send out offers and make money. Well, if that worked, then everyone would be making lots of money. And Misha Wilson is someone he's 26 years old, and he now has earned millions of dollars online. But he tells this story about how he built an email list of around 10,000 people, but he struggled to make even 1 or 2 sales from that large email list. So that was because he wasn't providing any value to that list in order to build a relationship with this audience. So that is key. You can't just build an email list. You have to provide value and build a relationship with your audience. So again, it's your job to provide value to that audience, an email list, as well as the marketplace as a whole on a daily basis in order to increase the trust and relationship with that audience. The people that you will make the most sales with are the people that have the most trust with you. So that's why it's so easy. Like, let's say you join an opportunity for you to maybe tell your friend about it, and they're like, well, if you're doing it, I'll try it. Because they know you and they like you, they trust you. But it's different when you don't know somebody. So how do you build up that trust? Well, the first thing is you have to go out and you learn something. It's more about the person that you become. Like, what kind of person do you need to become to earn 6 figures online? You're going to need to learn some skill sets. You're going to need to become more valuable. So you're going to go out and you're going to learn something, learn a strategy, learn something, and then go out and implement that, get some results, and then teach it. Because that's basically what it is. So, and it becomes the snowball effect. So by taking action every single day on what you have learned, you then have content to create more content every single day and share this with people. So you start to get results. You take an action, you get results, and you teach that to people. And this way you will continue to provide more and more value. So you think about it, the people that you follow online are the people that are providing value to you, and you just get to know them, you like them, you trust them, and those are people that you buy from. And really look at it like you genuinely want to serve others, rather than okay, I need to get people to look at this so I can make money. It's just a whole different mindset shift. And when you go out and you try to solve people's problems, solve people's pressing problems by providing value and teaching people what they need to learn, you'll have a whole different outcome than if you go and post your link on Facebook and expect people to buy from you. It's just like you go out and you post this link because you think it's the greatest opportunity in the world, and it's like crickets. Nobody interacts with you. And then the last thing is that you want to include a call to action in your content. Misha said that the biggest mistake is that people create all this great content, but they don't have a call to action. So you may go out and create videos and blog posts, but you're not telling people what to do at the end. Like, you want them to subscribe to your channel, you want them to put their name and email in your lead capture page in order to get more information. So whatever call to action you want them to take, you want to make sure you include that in all of your content. So if you embrace these tips and implement this on a daily basis, and I can't express that enough, on a daily basis, you want to be very consistent, then you're on your way to being able to earn money online in 2018. And the last thing is just keep going. People quit way too soon. I have this great story to tell you. One of my Facebook friends, she's super successful now. I think she just built around a 4,000 square foot home. And of course she does online marketing full time. But she started out, for the first 18 years that she was online, she made a total of $20. And then in 2012, she had her first six-figure year. And then every year after that, since 2012, she's had multiple six-figure years. So I don't think it'll take you that long, but it's just an example of why you never want to quit. Because if she had quit, she wouldn't have the success that she has today. So I thought that was very inspiring. So these are, again, how you can earn money online in 2018. If you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you want to learn more tips like this, we're going to be getting more into the marketing as we go along. I'm going to be showing you my results and teaching you how I did that. So if you want to learn more, go ahead and click the subscribe button and also the bell icon. That way you can be notified of any new videos that I put up, which I'm going to be doing on a regular basis because I have a very strong why. And again, you can learn that why in my story. So thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Talk with you soon. Bye now.